like to welcome our today's guest speaker, Dr. Kannadhasan sir. Thanks for joining, sir. And before going to the session, I would like to give a small introduction about him. I mean, the Dr. Kannadhasan sir. He's working as an associate professor and HOD in the Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering at Study World College of Engineering, Coimbatore. He has completed his PhD in the field of smart antennas at Anna University in 2022, and he has 13 years of teaching and research experience. And he obtained his BE in EC from Setu Institute of Technology in 2009, and his ME in Communication Systems from Velamal College of Engineering and Technology, Madurai in 2013. He obtained his MBA in Human Resource Management from Tamil Nadu Open University, Chennai. Someone's mic is on. Okay, thank you. He has published around 110 papers in the reputed international journals indexed by SCI Scopus Web of Science and Major Indexing, and more than 250 papers have been presented or published in the national and international journals and conferences. Besides, he has also contributed a book chapter, and he also serves as a board member, reviewer, speaker, session chair, and a member of the advisory and technical committees of various colleges and conferences. He is also to attend the various workshops, seminars, conferences, faculty development programs, STTP, and online courses. His main area of interests are smart antennas, digital signal processing, wireless communication, wireless networks, embedded system, network security, optical communication, microwave antennas, electromagnetic compatibility and interference, wireless sensor network, digital image processing, satellite communication, cognitive radio design, and soft computing techniques. He is member of many communities like ISTE, CSI, and all. So we have a very good resource person today. I would like to call Dr. Kannadhasan sir to deliver a presentation. Please, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for a nice introduction about me. Karthika Murthy, thank you so much. Good morning, everyone. Present here. This is first of I thank for the congrats that this type of FTP conduct the pencil bits because nowadays most of the researchers doing research how to write the paper and how to publish the journals and then like this that. So this is a motivate to researchers and also the academicians. This is a nice workshop to conduct the pencil bits. Karthika Murthy and the CEO of the Sangeetha. Thank you so much for invite to for chances to invite for the present some of the my thought. I explore some of thought also. Uh, Thank you so much. Most of the faculty, most of the participants like this faculties are researchers. Nowadays, I will share the screen. 1 second. Screen is visible, ma'am? Visible?
It is visible, sir.
Okay, thank you. Nowadays, a lot of most challenges about how to write a research paper and publish in essay, and also this is the most important nowadays the challenges of the researchers and also the publisher also, because nowadays a lot of paraphrase tools available in the market also. One like will tool, lot of tool is there. Some of the tools, some of the research doing the some of the copy and paste and rephrases, then publish the paper. It is not a good, but some novelties introduced in your side. It is a best one of the. It is a main criteria from the publisher side also. So this is a research paper. My research idea. I doing the study research from the 10 to from 2015 onwards. I'm doing only the I'm writing the paper and publish the paper because so what are the challenges I recruiters what are the challenges what are the aspects to the publisher to do I will tell about you. First, thank you. My name is Dr. Kannadhasan, working as associate professor in the Department of EC and Head of Department, Coimbatore. Thank you. First, what do you mean research? All of you know that there are two types of research: one after research and the before researchers. We know that after researchers, what is research to be done? we collect it from the data from the collecting papers, what are the methodology used, what are the ideas, what are the research, what are the methods, what are the your domain, what are the methods already existing, what are the methods you implemented. This is the most used after research. Before research is nothing but only what are the domains choose, what are the your analyze, what are the nowadays recent trends, what are the challenges, what are the opportunities. Lot of things you do before research. Okay. Before research, you do something from the lot of you collect from the lot of papers from mail servers, printer for reputed journals, not for the local journals, for Indian journals. Lot of local journals available. So please don't use the local journals. You please refer the highest journals also. Elsewhere, some of them should collect you collect from the Elsewhere, Springer, IEEE. Okay, you collect some things and then you collect that means of the means you study about the what are the paper discussed in the researchers. Okay, mostly most of the research we analyze it only after and conclusion is enough because the overall research paper is concluded in that only two parts only, the abstract and the conclusions. Okay, so you know that what are the methods is what are the results discussed in the research paper, what are the usage, what are the applications, what are the all the things used in the research paper you analyze in the abstract and conclusion also. So this is the most target audience of the what of the researchers. Okay, so next for what is research. This is a research is included from the lot of the year of 19. I know that in familiar of the in India we have research activities in the 1970, 60, 90 and up to most of research started from the research work. So 1970 also. Though they were reused in la search plus re because you know that a lot of the if you not want any you if you want one means now you go to Google search what are things you learn it. That is the same concept the re plus search. That means research. Okay. What are doing you did in search and also systematic investigation. There are source of researchers. There are a lot of sources. Research is the knowledge, analyze data, fact, practice, testing, development, and support also. So this type of the research is the systematic research also. So what do you research? Why do you research? What do you research? How do you research? Why do you research means now for better solution some unending problems. You study about one of the paper. Some paper that paper is not ending as a problem solutions also. You not dissolve that you go to that some what are the problems that paper research that work is the research work. That you analyze your research that paper solutions. You find out the what are the problems involved in this research paper. You check it. Then after that you what do you research and new techniques. What are the techniques used? What are the identific techniques? What are the methods used in your? It is a novelty. What do you research? It is a your work. You are thinking about any new techniques or new algorithm or new methods. We compare with existing work. Some new novelty. That is introduced in the what do you research? It is optimal solutions also. Now how do you research? So innovating is essential. So novelty is only is the major goal of your research. This is the novelty. Come for the novelty is a major and minor. You create a small minor goal means na is a best one. For how to research? That only minority. There is a how to innovative thinking. What are the you do for what are the things you research for improvement the researchers. This is the innovative thinking. This is type of invest. There are a lot of things quality research, quantity researchers. You know quality research and the quantity both are the different. The quality research research gives all this is into quality researchers. Okay. Quality system. What are the methods, quality, what are the quality you analyze, what are the discuss about your innovative ideas, what are the quantity, what are the data you use, what are data you use in the presences, what are the data is available, what are the data you did discuss in your research paper. This is the most in the quantity research work. You check that is a quality and quantity research work. Then this is the example. Can you find what are this is diagram for the picture diagram. You what are the new analysts? What are the research doing that? Anything, something, somebody. This one diagram. These show some research work. What are the figures? What is a fan? What is how many figures? What are the how many figures is there? This one of the research model. This is animal. Who can you see? How many animals is there? You can analyze that. Anybody?
4 animals.
Four. Okay, nice. This is ஒரு innovative. There is a thinking how to the analysis. That is a mind analysis. How to how many research thoughts that only they told in this diagram. Somebody's four. Okay, nice. Okay, this is a first. There are the lot of animals in the single picture. For fish, beaver, tortoise, elephant, mosquito, tiger. This is one of the analytic for all our innovatives. So some catching them. Okay, catching research is most important of our research side. So what is the difference in search versus and research? Okay, basic of comparison, expertise, goal, direction, process, circulation, interval. This all the depends on the comparison. What are the research and the searches? For expertise, you are qualified research. Yes, I am a qualified researcher. Sir, there is no qualification. You go to search the Google form, you go to search, sir. But qualified research, yeah, you something novelty. That is a qualified research. What is your goal? Uncover new information, added knowledge, facts. That is a new goal for research. Find something. It is a search also. Duration. It is a long. This is often search. To search or any paper to find out means easily to obtain the short time period. But it's a long time during the research time. Process as steps and stages. Lot of steps. You do from research work, you some collect from the database, from papers, what are the you got from the literature survey, you analyze the literature survey, then you study about your papers for based on research, you discuss about the course or papers, four or depends upon the university levels, you write it then complete your coursework. Some from criteria is the one type of you got from the 6.5, 6.7 criteria, you to eligibility next for the research going there. So some of these steps, then next literature survey, some you go to you write a paper, you go to the optimization techniques, you go to the some fabrication, and also the some simulation fabric comparison there. You write a paper, then another you publish, submit your journal, then review process going there. Then review process came after review process. You do some the review all the review comments. You rectify then submit your paper. Then next for you submit our review process and acceptance. Then you go synopsis for thesis and viva. This lot of stages in the research work. But there is no layer. We compare it with the only single. You go to search for anything, for a source, for Google, Yahoo, anything search you can go. Yeah. For regulation, based on the regulations, we nowadays lot of universities, some doing the regulations will be done. Okay, so that regulations you will follow also. That not is a follow in the search also. So depends on search result is not dependent. This is the difference between the search and research also. So we already told this research is systematic investigations. In Albert Sen goes, okay, research is to see when everybody else has seen and to think what nobody else thought. That is a single course that for the research work. This is a novelty what nobody else has told. That is research. That is then study of material, result facts and new conclusions. This all these are scientific. Scientific is a scientific research. Materials and sources. What are the materials used? What are the sources included? That is all this you study. This is scientific knowledge. Then physical or intellectual properties, triangle, tangle, entangles are this is all the evidence. Conclusory evidence. You prove only evidence or novel in your conclusion part. Okay, that is evidence-based results. That is a principles of generalized knowledge. So this type of research is a systematic and also the novelty research in your contributions. Okay, so everyone to somebody novelty, somebody research. I humble request you do something research in your research and then find writing a paper then your homely. No sir. From some birds, a lot of grammar mistakes. There is no but no there is nobody, no issues. You write, you publish them. That is this is your research. Because last time I will tell you what are the issues going there, the issues from the this is the research. Okay. What are the research going there? For degree, for MBS degree, for government, for DSC project, a lot of government proposals for researchers, for industrial problems. We get from one idea for one product is designed from the help of the industrial problem. So society we use it from the one for the lot of handicapped people like that. So they so one cyclist produce a recycle, a cycle or one walk up or any you use it for social problem. This type of the research is the most important in the degree. Okay, not only degree, not only we consider only the degree for PhD only. It depends upon the lot and sectors also, government sector, industrial sectors, and also social sectors also. This is a scientific method. Okay, what is scientific method? First, observation. Observation is nothing but you find your field. That you find your field. What are the domain you choose there? What are the analysis? What are the tools? What are your knowledge is applicable in the research work? This is observation or the questions. Then I go to the topic. I go to this domain. What are the questions? What are the nowadays going there for the issues? What are the challenges? What are the opportunities you questions asked in the domain? After the search literature, some of the already published paper in this domain. So you collected papers and search the what are the things methods, what are the parameters discussion, what are the conclusion, what are the fabricated, you also all the you discuss about the literature survey. Then hypothesis. This is the most important. What are the you choose for hypothesis used for methods analysis. Then experiment. You doing the simulation, other the fabricator you do it. One collect data, conclusion, share research, this all these implemented in your research work, then convert into paper also. This is scientific method to the research work also. Then next for types of research. Okay, there are two types of research with the point of audience. Then number one for point number one for the number one pure applied research, and number two for applied research also. Pure applied research and applied research. Can you explain any one of them for the pure research and applied research? Anything, something, some? This is interaction section because this interact for the audience only. The easily to observe your points and also your points also. What are the pure research and applied research? Anybody says something? So, okay, no issue. Pure research, fundamental research, it is already implemented, or the basic type of research you want. That is a pure research. Then also to implement your research or also there some research also. Apply research nothing but to provide the solution of the real-time application. You choose from the real-time applications, you done about your novel in real-time application is here, apply research. Okay, this is a type of research or in the pure and applied research also. There some of the type of research in the research world. Exploratory research, diagnostic research, and descriptive researches. Preliminary study, we use it from the starting stage. Okay, you study about from the paper. Sorry, study from the papers. Diagnostics from the research. What does you happen? What and why you happen in the diagnostics? Descriptive for find fact and the investigations. This type of research using. We already told quality and quantity researches. So this is the collect data. They all this same process I do from some the reporting collected data from the what is specific purpose research literature identify the research solution report level research analysis. You confirm example you collect from the CAC department, you collect data from the data sets. You what are the lot of parameters discussed from the nowadays CAS accuracy precision. Then lot of parameters discussed. So we compare it with the existing work. How to improve your novelty into the existing work. That is the most important goal of your research work. So if you report every research, analyze and interpret, then identify research. This is the most correct research in the data also. This is steps to research process. First, you find out a selected topic. You for a selected is the most important. If you choose for a selective topic, is the best one for catchy title. For person, no use for simple title. You are catching one with different algorithms or different stages. You use it in the different characteristics also. One second, sorry. Sorry. This is a selective topic. You catch a title, but defining the research problems. My lesson, you collect the data, you collect the papers from the reputed journals for more than 15 papers or 20 papers, 15, 20, 25 or 50 papers. You collect the inference. What are the methods? What are the discussed in this paper? What are the parameters discussed? What are the advantages, disadvantages? What are the overcome? What are the inferences you collect in all the data from each and every paper? Then you analyze, describe a research problem. Nowadays, with real-time applications, this is most important to nowadays real-time applications is most important for research work. So you find out the real research problem doing the research work. Then objective research. Nowadays you use for now objective research. Now what do you do? What do you do means now you what are the methods are used? What are the algorithm you novel algorithm, new algorithm is introduced or new type of algorithm is introduced or anything used for what is the objectives of your research. This is the most objective of researchers. Then review of literature. I already told we have for collective papers, 50 papers. We release and equal literature where you discuss it for example, Kannadhasan ETL.al. You mentioned that the matter some of you each and every paper you write for only 4 to 5 lines you write. That is a review of literature. What are the methods, parameters, what are the overcome this research in your work. That is a you discuss it in the introduction part, review of literature also. Then working hypothesis. What are the methods used, what are the analysis, what are the your parameters, what are your domain research, what are do your what are then you hypothesis. You design for the one algorithm or for my type of antenna, we design one type of antenna. That antenna collect data from the parameters through the formulas we find out the value, okay, for the length and with some of the things, okay. Then what are the parameters? We inbuilt the antenna, we collect some data, okay, for the length and with the dietary concept. Some of the data they included these parameters, they design and then publish the and design the antenna in the software. So this is the parameters, okay. So parameters I use this antenna use it for wireless communication. Then my antenna fabricated to another fabricated to that and compared with symbolisms, okay. This antenna is compared to wireless application or wireless browsing. What are you doing that? That this is a working hypothesis there also. Then prepare research design. What are the design, sample design, data collection. This all the used from your based on your research only. But it is a novelties to execution of project, data analysis, hypothesis, generation. This is a report also. Then the same time, the step one, define the topic, narrow topic, define narrow. There are two different. What do you mean for define the topic, narrow topic? Is what is a small difference there. Anybody seeing that? Defend the topic, narrow topic, nothing but there. To defend other a lot of things to defend. Yes, ma'am. Okay. Defend topic now is nothing but some of the gathered information from your research. Defend a topic. You domain for domain. Defend a narrow. That topic is real-time application. That your title is a catchy title. It's a narrow topic. It is already not excluded. It's not existing work. Your work only you mentioned your topic. Your title is the most important in the research paper. Most of the publications your topic, your title. It means your title, your abstract, and also the is the most important. Your easily identify your publisher. It is a novelty, easily identify. That is, so please prepare the novelty and also result discussion in your abstract included. It is a mandatory. So this is a gather information. Then create a research question, developer. It is all the things already discussed. Side sources. Sites already discussed with her. Sites was nothing but your references. What are the papers you collect or you have referred. All the papers should be cited in the your introduction part also. This write the paper. This all the research work. Okay. Then the same components. Yeah. This is the overall research. Step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, step 5, step 6. They the I different catchy your to analyze your research, to wind up your research also. Literature survey, identify key notes, aims and objectives, identification, identify discoverable, identify key resources, time frame, workflow, risk and mitigations, and identify for the research project also. This is the most important. So you first you write a paper means no okay for selected research okay steps for literature survey. What are this selected topic? What is domain? I example I use it for the one type of antenna for L-shaped antenna for wireless application. We use it for wireless application for the mobile applications. Okay. So we collect data from the L-shaped antenna sectors. Lot of antenna sectors available in the lot of publications also. So we collect from the data from the papers. What are the papers that we go to search and Google anything? Okay, we collect the data for the paper collect from the what is search literature. Then develop the what are the parameters discussed. What are the we find the inference. Okay, all the things are in the right in the review. Write 3 already told. We write for 1 to 2 lines. Okay. 1 to 3 lines you write here enough. Once again. Sorry for disturbance. Once again. Sorry. Finish visible.
It is visible, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. Okay. So we do for the selected topic, then write a review. We already told for the write a review starting with the 4 to 5 lines you write there for each and every paper. Okay. For example, I choose for also one type of paper. We collect from the inference from the paper. You write them 4 lines. What are the methods? What are the parameters discussed? What are the disadvantages of this paper? To discuss about your literature. This is a write a review. Maximum 4 to 5 lines for each and every paper also. This is steps of the literature survey. Then this answer to do. Then what are the first? This is most important. How to we analyze the formulation of the research plan? What are the steps you identify your research work problems? First, identify a broad field and subject area of interest to you. That is nowadays a lot of domain is there. Consider wireless communication, data science, big data, IoT, medical application, lot of first your area choose. Okay. Then that area you collect some sub areas also for medical applications. We I choose for medical applications now. We choose for the variable antennas. For the useful to analyze the health and heart or monitoring BB, useful to analyze the variable devices. Okay. That is a number of broad area. Okay, so sub broad area. Then what select what is the most of interest to you? That topic you should, what is your most interest to you means now that you choose that topic. What are the implication and what are the real-time implications you discuss about it? What are the raised questions? We do from this research work. What are the questions applied from the real-time implications? Okay. What are the queries applied from? What are the queries involved? Okay. What are the queries? Okay. That is a query asked from everything your research questions also. Then objectives, then W. This is all the you find out a research problem one of the sources. Okay. From data collection. Okay. If data collection is nothing but you collect data from the lot of you collect data sets is available in the net. You collect the data from anything. Okay, interviews, focus, observation, data collection tools. Okay, in surveys. This is then novelty. This is the most one. Then important one our research or novelty. Okay, novelty is a original one, fresh one, contrast, define old, and the newness and the unusual. So this is the most important our novelty in the paper in your research work. So please, a humble request to all of the some novelty introduced in your work. Okay, that is a best one. Okay, so novelty is not means that is not a researchers and also research work also. Okay, what is innovations? Okay, innovation is nothing but the we created an ideas. Okay, creativity, product, incremental product is all this. Analyze innovation state of mind, your mind. Okay, you analyze. Okay, your problem solutions. What are the problem solutions available in the market and on the researchers? What are the you overcome recover? You didn't overcome that research or you all the things your mind on itself. So please, this all the things you are in your presence also. Okay. So this is of the innovations ideas in your research work. So we can process product with all the things, okay, in a state of your mind also. Then scambler. This is on techniques for the users or the researchers. What is scamber technique? Camber technique it is one of the research work for SMS or substitute, combine, adapt, modify, put to another users, eliminate and reverse. This is a most important research of the research work. You analyze your research for in this accurate. For substitute means nothing but the you what are the substitute, what are the domains used, what are the analysis you substitute with other work, okay, what are the comment, the existing work, adapt, what are the techniques you adapted that the research was modify. If after the modify the research for the reviewer comment based on your favor is modified also. Put another users use. Okay. Let all the you implemented your research work, then eliminate. What are the eliminate? What are the element in your research spot you eliminate at the time. This reverse. Okay. Then substitute reverse. If not eliminate, you substitute reverse in your research work also. Okay. This is the outcome of the researchers. You do some write a paper or you do some you write a product anything you choose for research means you something want your proof okay for novelty you submit your paper for publications otherwise you submit your patent okay submit your patent for your product okay all the things used your patent rights then copyrights anything used for the you publish your paper or anything okay then article preparations okay so, article preparation is the important topic. Write your paper, how to write your research paper is the most important. What is an article? Right. What is an art means? You know that art means na? You draw. Okay, all of you know that draw. Okay, that only the anything something you now ready for the drawing means you interested that you try drawing. The same concept you use it from the art. Okay, to write a paper, to write a research work, is the same like that the art also. This is the partial research article for title, affiliation, abstract, keywords, introduction, related works, proposal methodology, block diagram, flow chart, skeleton of work, discussion on proposal methodology, result discussion, conclusion, acknowledgement and references. This is the art for to write the paper in your research. Okay, first each and every topic is discussed for the what is the title. We already told for the title should be informative. Okay, must be informative. That is the most important. Okay, for catchy title must be informative. This should be minimum for two or small or two lengthy, not more than 3 lines, 4 lines. Okay, we enough only two or small thing that is easy to understand to others. Okay, to solve small to lengthy. Okay, lines is the best one. Okay, there is no grammatical instant title. Okay, so once you check the grammatical here title, then try to highlight your entire 2 lines. Already told. Then affiliations. Most of the research doctorate, professor, there is no enough. That is avoid that type of salutations. Yeah, avoid designation degrees in research paper also. For example, S. Kannadhasan, that is enough. No need for the doctor, Mr. MS, Mrs. No need for this type of designation. The degrees designation not included in your paper also. Then specific affiliations also. You become for S. Kannadhasan, next line for you for Diploma of Electronics Computer Engineering. Then comma this is the flow to specify your title in the first. Most of this is doing for the ME, PSC, assistant professor, no enough. No, so please avoid data type of okay. For Department of Engineering, enough. Okay. Then email. What are the email used in your frequently contacts? That email you put in your research paper also. Then to try to avoid complete address. Then I already told engineering, Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu, India. 641 the is enough. Okay. Nowadays, there is a lot of food with college. Uh, this is the most important also the already noted in your research and publisher also here also only this is the most important abstract maximum years because most of the journals only the restriction for 250 words to 300 words also because all the whole part of the research we implement only not only included only the research conclude in your abstract and the conclusion part also that is the most important so you write here 250 words or 300 words in this is the most important okay then what is the source already told abstract is nothing but the your old research in a single part. Okay, we define about a single part in our abstract. Okay, for parameters, what are the novelty used, what are the methods, the definition of your applications, the common problems associated with applications. Okay, previous work in solving the problems. Talk about how to solve the problem, parameters like the parameter, techniques used in methodology, what are judges, what part. This is the most important in the abstract part also. Then keywords. Keyword is another important. Okay, that is a real-time word. Okay, these keywords you discuss in a lot of methods or you discuss in your domain or the major parts. Okay, this is a basic one of the 5 to 6 words of the throughout the paper. Same thing. What are the elements? What are the elements? What are the discussed methods? So all the put into your keywords in the 1 or 4 to 5, 6 lines. This is the most important for cited in your paper also. Credited. Most of the researchers search the paper only the keyword based on the keywords. And also the publications also we go to find each and every publication. Find your journal you input in your publications also. So you would quickly find your journal finder. You put in you write your keywords in the paper. You lot of papers available. Okay. So there is the most important. So please to write citation in your the abbreviations also. The keywords is the most important to cite your research paper and do your research also. Then introduction part. I already told the introduction part is a background of applications and must be elaborated. I already told for the you survey the lot of papers. Okay. Then otherwise you explain a lot of things. Okay. For example, wireless communications. What are the wireless communication results? Okay. In previous and existing also. Okay. Whether you discuss about what are the parameters is in the wireless communication? What are the applications oriented? What are the methods are used into wireless communications? All the discussed in your introduction part also. This is a proper lack of proper solution including the there are the problem definition should be must be managed in the first and second paragraph. Okay. You already find out the problem solution definitions. You firstly discuss about the first paragraph, second paragraph. You discuss in introduction part. The easy to identify research also and review also because this is one of the key role. This already okay. Some of the research doing novelty, some of the problems identified. Okay, so easy to analyze. So we included the problem definition in the first 2 paragraphs is important one. Okay, in introduction part. Then literature survey already told we collect from the data from the papers. Okay, so each and every authors with more than authors means now used for ETL. Not for the 1 to 5. Use the citation for the each and every author also in one paper more than author means now use for first author ETL symbol. What are the references? These all the applicable in the use standard business for also applications also. So you find your literature survey and then you all the collect data from the one type of paper you discuss about what are the parameters, what are the introduction, what are the applications, what are all the discussed in here. 4 to 5 writing in literature part with the author's name for ETL. Okay, this is only then important proposed methodology is the flow chart. Okay, if your work is compulsory, so each and every block diagram is your work is here. Each and every block line put your block diagram and each and every step you can explain that. That is the flow chart of your is compulsory or discussed in a flow chart also. You flow chart then you discuss about. Then proposal is for you use it from the block diagram for 6 to 7 block diagram you discuss in your paper means now you already each and every block should be explained. Then you got the results also. Okay. Then you put your results also each and every figure. Okay. Figure number. These I draw from the L-shape run now. We put the figure in the L-shape run figure. What are the parameters L-shape run for length and width for 0.5? How to calculate 0.5 mm? This all the discussed in the paragraph in your shown figure. Put in shown in figure. This is most simple cited. Most of the researchers not cited in the figure table and also the references. References is also cited in the literature for introduction. Figures and table should cited in your before the after the your done. This is the most important that one second. Finishable.
Yes, sir.
So this is the proposal methodology. Each and every black and diagram should mention your citation, your research work. This is the most important. So each diagram should be explained with brief discussion of the flow. Some of the research only this is the flow chart is shown in figure 1. This is not good. You flow chart you explain something, sir, then write your citation is shown in figure 1. In your introduction part or the proposal work. Okay. It is most important in your proposal methodology. The notation of the work must be specified also. So don't copy from any other paper. This is plagiarism don't. So this is other existing work also. So please don't copy. Then don't use from the paraphrased work. Okay. You write it. You write your own words. Then you copy. You write a paper also. This is most important proposal methodology. Don't copy that. Then next for experiment results. Find out your what are the experiments results you will analyze discuss. For example, uh, I I choose from the Elsevier Andana my research work. It is used from this type of is applicable from the wireless communications. Okay. Now, what are the patterns I discussed in radiation pattern? What are the frequency that always used in that? What are the resolution frequency used in the this? What are the result parameters? Means now radiation pattern for a lot of things. Radiation pattern, PSWR, then current distribution we already discussed in the parameters. So this is the exponent research. For example, data set you collect from the data from the CSC departments or anything departments, lot of parameters there for accuracy, precision, say F call, F score. That is the parameter discussed. This is the results data set from this software also. This is the quantity and the quality results also. We already told what are the quantity quality. This is the external result only the quality and quantity results implement in your result. Okay. Then conclusions. The conclusion is the overall research you conclude your paper also. What are the methods discussed? What are the problem identification? What are the problem identify you got? What are the solution you for problem solutions also? Then what are the including your conclusion part, it is the overall results also. This it is a justify only your hypothesis and objective research work also. We already told abstract and conclusion only the your research overall the hypothesis and objective research also. So please the conclusion part and research abstract is the most important your research part also. Then acknowledgement. It's an optional one, optional. Okay, a funding agency. We got a fund from the any for DSTO or anything from the so we got from funding agency. Okay, you put the funding agency, what is your light line? Okay. Source of databases. We collect data from the source, okay, from network, from Google search or any for a medical hospitals. So you write the database collecting, okay. You that acknowledgement also for external organization. I go to for another research, I do it from fabricator, I use from the another colleges, okay. So I use that colleges include in your optional acknowledgement also. Then government, this fund is government organization for DSA, sir, anything use an acknowledgement is optional, but it is similar to your research also. Yeah, this is the references. It is the most important. You already told the figure citation, table citation, and then also the references also cited in your text also in your paper. It is the most important. This also most important. References mostly use the references in the recent year reference you collect data. Mostly reference in the 1985, 1986. They are not using that. So use the most for higher priority, lower priority. For example, 2024 to 2022, 23, 24, up to the last. Okay, you collect data from the data references. These should be must you include the author name. Each and every references, first reference, author names, paper title, journal. If a lot of style, writable style, then APA style. Okay, based on the journal rules. Okay, you convert your forward reference also. Author name, paper title, journal conference title, volume number, issue number, page number, date of publication. This is the most included in your each and every citations also for each and every reference also. So just don't write your volume and page randomly. Okay, you collect, go to search your paper, then rightly put in your volume and page number. Don't use it unused for wrong user for volume 22. No user, we put it all the correctly one. That is you. That is a citation is the most important. Cite all the value included and the resources also. So, for example, 40 references you discussed, only 15 references from conferences, remaining 25 from journals. Okay, this is the most. We include your 40 references in your research paper for 25 journals from journals, for repeated journals also, 15 from the conferences also. So, this is the papers. Okay, then how to the paper to submit? You write a paper, complete all the process there. How to the paper to submit your journal. Okay. If nowadays each and every journal, some rules and regulations also notified. Okay. So first draft means na, if a peer you will submit your paper, submit a journal, it is a draft manuscript. Okay. Preprint. It is accepted. It means the preprint. And next for the synonyms to article. It's it becomes a paper which is synonyms to article. There are two things: draft, manuscript, preprint, paper, and article. Draft means na, you submit, that is a draft. Preprint, review, peer reviewed. After the peer reviewed, then you paper also acceptance. Okay, that is a preprint. Then paper, then article. It is the most important your sums. Okay. So then top reasons of research for rejection. What are the rejections? In editorial side, we have a lot of vocabulary. Poor voice and vocabulary is the rejected one. Number one, scope of this domain here is not within scope of the journal. Yes. You choose, if, for example, you go to search in this Taylor Francis or elsewhere or anything journal, citable journals. Each and every portal, website portal, you design the find a journal finder. You go to the copy the keywords. Okay, for keywords, copy then paste there, or title copy and paste there. You find the journal is available. Okay, what are journals domain is available? You choose that. If not, for example, my paper research work in the Andhra, but mathematical calculation is used there. I submit your the mathematical journal. That is a rejection also because mathematical all the things used in the all the papers also. So domain means your area. What my area is Andhra. So you choose the scope of the journal. That only the most important. Other is the rejections. Okay, this is another one. Then another author guidelines. Each and every journal should maintain some guidelines for abstract inclusion, introduction. The APS style used, that is matrix and plot diagram. The figures is type of resolution used. The figures is captions. If all the things using some of the guidelines introduced in each and every journal. So you follow that one. That's okay. Otherwise, that is also rejection another one type. Okay. Then this is most rejection of the most of the papers only the vocabulary rejections also, but vocabulary is the most you write the own words. Then if any English proposal or any vocabulary you something sure what are the vocabulary used, what are new vocabulary used is the best one. Is already used, it's not a change of yours. Okay, too many references you have used for too many references from your and for forward as past one. This is self-suggestion. Most of nowadays, most of the papers, citation included only, most of the journals included the, most of the paper authors should include our paper also for 510 papers including references and also cited in the introduction part. It is a self-study. This is too many references also. So please have this type of references in your research paper. Then references used to already told impact factor are the too old. In fact, we check and too old. Then poor language, spoiled the size of words. You check the grammar. Okay, next one. The argument is not clear. Your words are logical, valid. It's not a linear. Okay, language, texture, or figures are not clear. Figure is not a good quality. Language is not a good structure. Is a flow of structure. To discuss all the flow chart, each and every one you discuss it. Something phenomena. First term flow block them. We go to the next to second and third. This is not good. Each and every sector in your research to write in paper. The same article was found in multiple areas. I submitted a Telefranchise IEEE examining is to submit your the researchers to some multiple journals also. So please submit it because a reviewer assigned from the multiple journals, the same reviewer, same paper assigned in same reviewers also. Somebody. So you find the journals is rejected also. So some of the editor board members and the associate editor joined from the other journals also. The same paper is reviewed at moment, it also rejected also. So please avoid these multiple journals. If we submit it for multiple journals, my personal for we submit only 2 journals or not more than 2. So please change your title also. Then submit it. That is a good way. So this is not enough. The impact potential is good. Okay. But lack of proper structure, not following journal formatting, this all the journals disseminated on your side also. So as core language quality cannot be understood by readers. But because you write a paper for 10 to 15 pages, but a correct way to implement in your research. Okay. To write. Then that is a poor languages and what is the lack of ideas, taking ideas to work in the scientific without giving the credit. Okay, this all the rejections also. Okay, aim of the works, tips for writing, useful tools to writing, how to increase citation, understanding plagiarism, use of plagiarism checkers, originality, use of good reference. This is the most for remedial mistakes. Tips to writing already told, useful tools for writing. Now a lot of tools to writing, you write it, how to increase your citation. You cited your friend circle means now you proper correct domain you paper your reference will be cited for now known for paper citation not citation your okay understand plagiarism. Don't use cut copy paste, don't use the represervatives, use in your own words and also you create some things. Okay, they good for references manages like a Mandalay geological scholar to get references. It's a good reference because this type of tools already for APS tool for what are the style you used you means now all the things that you do. So use it easily to cut comment paste the under references also. Then what are the effective rights? Okay, there are 2 effective rights. Mostly for to start literature is effective right. Introduction part This is the last of what you write is main use for the getting a pass. Okay. What is the structure? This is structure. The introduction for the 10 percentage. Engage the reader or window topic and put issue. You are about to explore. What are the explore in this structure also? So introduction 10% of the text structure. It is the most introduction for the main text. Okay, this is 80%. Okay, this is the standardization pass divided into paragraphs. Every paragraph is introduction, main part, and conclusions. Okay, this is a proposed work. You discuss the parameters of results and also everything. Block diagram, which and every what are the parameters, what are the analysis, what are the algorithm used, what are the formulas used. You already justify that. That is the main text of the 80%. Introduction only the you identify your research only the introduction. Conclusion. You summarize also that. Okay. Therefore, based on two already told for 2 5 keywords, this is all the already told. Okay. In third, always in third person, you write that. Okay. That is the most important. Then avoid praise and paragraphs. Okay. Praise and paragraphs, lot of things that you avoid some of things that. Okay. Then follow conversion, avoid misusing. Okay. What is citation and give citation cited? It is the most important. Is citation to credit in your paper and also individual also. Okay. That is for the individual works that you utilize to support your research work. Therefore, it is located in the source of the common plagiarism. So citation of the for the publishing company, for the publishing something for the journal. Okay, you write the publishing company, journal title. Okay, DOI number. This DOI number most important. DOI is already is to identify your research also. So DOI, this is the citation for each and every one. The citation, lot of things are there are many citations available. APA. APA is nothing but the American Physiological Association used for the education, physiology and sciences. This citation used from the education, physiology and sciences usually citations. So this type of citations differ also. MLA, Modern Language Association, this style used for humanities only. Chicago and W say business, Christian and fine arts also. Okay. Then increases your citation count. How to increase your citation? Use a constant name from your name, all of your papers also. Your paper published from the others. Okay. To find each and a, for example, my domain Anana, you publish the Anana papers, okay, in Google Forms, okay, in ResearchGate, all these things, sir. Okay. I go from the search from the ResearchGate and also the Google search, the Anana paper. So we will search from some of the Anana paper. That paper we will collect data from the your research source. Then citation in the references. This is one of the increases form. Yeah, you put your ResearchGate, and also the Google Scholar, then ArchIT. These are all the important need to increase your citations count also. Then this is the most your name for in ArchIT. You create your ArchIT ID. It is the most important for it is the Scopus also. Most of the researchers, the Scopus paper, we collect the Scopus. What are the papers? Scopus index, we collect the data. That paper you collected, that you research, that doing the research, that the data and references, then put in your research and also. This is the ArchIT ID for examples. Okay. So actually promote your article. If novelty in your paper, please share your research work in your friends, reviewers, and also for the social activities to improve your, to promote your article and also the references also, to citation also. So LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter, your institution repository, your monthly research or get a profile, your website, and also your academic profile. Okay, all the improve your promote. What is plagiarism? Similarity is not a plagiarism. Presenting another ideas if their own, either directly or indirectly, it is a plagiarism. Presenting is another ideas if their own, either directly copied or paraphrasically used indirectly, used it is a plagiarism. Okay, not similarity. Copying or pasting text and image without saying they came from the, that is also the not showing the when code is a code. Okay, summarized. This all the plagiarized one. Okay, therefore don't plagiarize. Give the original author credit from the given own edition to one. I already told you write some things, you write some novelities, you write your work, whatever you write your discussion about your research. That only the original work. Keep track of the source to consult your own research. Okay, you go to the some of the bodies you consult and okay, consult is no issue. Okay, use some of the track for your research. You do something else. Okay, then paraphrase, quote, or some of the source. Add your own ideas also. So did this a plagiarism checker before you submit your research paper. How to avoid? Never copy and paste from a journal article. Always summarize your own words. It is always make sure it is understood it. It only mostly, if necessary, put them in your summary. It is an acknowledgement. If copy from the research work means now, you put acknowledgement. It is enough. It is enough. You put the acknowledgement. For this, I copied from this paper. Put the reference number. Okay, this is enough to acknowledgement as an article. Okay. Then quoting, paraphrasing, summarizing. For quoting, for it text and word for the quotation marks. What is text citation? This is quoting. Then paraphrase. Already told involves putting a section for a text in your own words, changes the words and paraphrase. It is a paraphrase. Nowadays used in lot of lot of tools used in the paraphrase tool. We copy and paste. That simply copy and paste. Some of the text is introduced. So that is the original text. Okay. That is paraphrase text. So you find that is not good. You write it something your novelty and you write a research work in your paper. Then summarizing. I already told these summaries all the things include your research paper and the inclusion of citations and all the importance of okay. What are the tools for checking plagiarism? Check your for possible plagiarism. Here some tools. Scripper, plagiarism checker, epogarasas. This is the plagiarism tool in nowadays used in the market. Some of the free, some of the paraphrasing used there. So Kannadhasan is used to analyze the paraphrase tools also nowadays. So it is used the best of the Kannadhasan tools. Okay. This is the example. Notice what are the cookies available, what are the blue green is no matching text, what are the 1 to 24% matching text, yellow color. It is all the used in the perfection zones. Then proofreading. Okay. If your paper published, okay, paper published, you are double checking your proofreading is not spelling, grammar, missing words, spacing, punctuation, all the using in the your work for the proofreading also. This is to top best proofreading. This is free one. Okay, but you check your professors for English professor. You write your grammar mistakes. You correct that. Okay. This is research forums tools. Lot of research forums. Publications also. There are two publications for conference and journals. Conferences for national conference or international conferences. Journals for international journal and national journals. Okay. In international journal, we can for indexed or under indexed Hutch indexed. Okay. Indexed for this is all the research publications in the field. Okay. Then research publications. What do you research? You know for frequency of publications. If you do for my area for Andana, we frequently publish it into one type of Andana. That is a frequency of publication in Andana only. That is a scope, number of publications, recent issues, paper commands, to avoid self-plagiarism. This is the research focus understand the quality researches. Okay. What are the quality researches? Impact factor. Most of the journals, okay, impact factor based on impact factors, you submit your paper. Based on my advice. So impact factor is more than 5. It is a best good work. Now, best peer review double review. We already know that SNP source norms impact per paper. Thomson Readers, Web of Science, and SCI, SCI. Science Citation Indexed, SCI Science Citation Indexed Expanded, Web of Science SCI, okay, then Scopus, IEEE Transaction, Elsevier Journals, this is quality publishers, Springer Journals, White Taylor Francis, Wiley Journals, a lot of things, Sage Journals, okay. This lot of journals is implemented, okay. Okay, number of publications, how to judge the quality of the publications. In fact, how to judge impact? Okay, number of publications in impact factor in journals. You submit your paper in a good impact factor in number of journals. Okay. Then citations. Then Hutch index for quantity quality. Okay. Then cumulative. Okay. This is the most important. Okay. For Hutch index and the I10 index also. Okay. What are the funded projects? Okay. Nowadays, funded projects, a lot of research projects different from the research work. Okay. Nowadays, funded agency nowadays for the lot of the DST, lot of things, lot of the funded projects available. You get the funded research from your research and go to the apply your funding, and then you get your fund also. Okay, that means you got more ideas to proceed the data ideas. Then consultant projects. Okay, additional. Okay. Then patents. In before I told only the your idea of publish in a paper or if you go to I not to research on publication, I go to direct pattern. You go and apply. Okay. You go to novel idea, go to research on 3 fundamental pillars for teaching, research, and community services. Okay. is the joint research grants from mutual external faculties for PG students, joint for supervisor, joint publication patent, joint publication nothing but the you combine with the own foreign proposals or from the you combine with the own publications to from our institution to come to foreign institution. This is joint research publication also. Then academic research. We do research from the foreign sites, okay, or any other institution like IIT and AT. It is in the joint research publications also. You organize some of the seminars, workshops, conferences, high cited. This is collaborations in the research. What are the benefits of international cooperation? Okay. Nowadays, international cooperation, you've done a lot of things that you apply the each and every university, lot of university for funding for foreign university also. You go to different type of proposal, you implement your CV, you send your fund also. And scientific research tools for this is the tools for all scientific research tools. Okay. The same format, API style. Especially this here, author's name, initial, data published, title of source, location. But this type of API format style is used. Then MLS style used for this type of work cited for the title, margin, under, name, last name, off changes. This is the used in the MLA style. Okay. Then IW style, you know that A and the undimensional, no, it is a italic board. Okay, for title, for the illustrator for 2006. Place of publication, publisher. Reference number, author, subtitle for edition. What are the place of publication? What are the year of publication? This is IEEE. Okay. So introduction Manly. Manly, you know then how to collect data and references in the Manly sources. These are free sources collect from the each and every data from the Manly. Okay. Free level 1 GB storage will be to plus one of the pro user 5 to 10 GB. This is Manly. Go to the Mandel.com. We introduction of your research source. Then go to Mandan. Okay. Download your account and download Manly. Add the plugin, then any plugin disappears. Okay, this is the plugin to find out your format in the code. Then step 2, then this is the already told for data entry. What is Manly? Academic software, cross-platform for the Win Mac. This all major browser used in the Manly also. Then was the overview, getting started, the free account, or getting a library, Manly desktop. Okay, you find out your research paper. New version from research paper to be download that all the references there, so you can download that. Then Manly web also the adding tag must import your what are the pipe tags send node. This is the type of adding documents you can download also. Then documents the details lookup. Enter DOI, Bubble R2 ID. These all the indices the startup lookup also to find a new research source. Then save under save. Okay, your papers appear then. Then you Manly web importer, Manly research catalog also. This web importer, this all thing the Manly. Then Scopus and the Saints direct. Okay, to import the Scopus and to save the Manly and export that also. Okay. Then synchronize. This is a basic tools used in your research. Okay. Citation plugin. How to the citation plugin? To install the citation plugin in Manly. Tools install MS plugin there. You just a title. Then install your MS plugin. Then you all the citation plugin there. Managing, inserting, finding collaboration. What are the create collaborations? Private work. Create your research profile also in your Manly. Okay, join your from the create your research for academicians. Okay, you create promote your showcase your publications also. So we find colleagues your area in a lot of your areas your friend circle collaborators also. Then literature survey catalog. This is Manly data. All use Manly data. Then conclusion is overall the conclusions of your research topic. Provide what are the strong research, what are the rejections. Okay. This is to discuss the conclusion, your own idea. Novelty is the most important idea. This topic is used in the conclusion research. Okay. For example, one second. For example, you go to for the any journal. Okay. For example, for the for Elsevier channel finder. Okay. I choose Elsevier finder button. I go for channel finder. Okay. He already told you find the journal research. Okay. For each of for your research work, match by abstract. Okay. Or search by keywords or aims. For example, I use it for keywords on the wearable. wearable London. My side. Okay. If I find the journals. There is a lot of things, sir. This open access for the you pay the publication fees. Okay. So there is no journals. Okay. So keywords not okay wearable London. So we want for Andana. I choose only the Andana. Okay, so lot of journals there. Okay, for the AU, International Journal of Electronics and Communication Engineering, for the this is site impact factor 3.2, the site score factor. There are the times of publish, how many days to publish the articles. What are the first decision for major revision? How many days for 1 week? Okay, what are the open access fees? 3,090. Okay, what are the published others? Okay, this all the things. Okay, seeing okay. So for example, I go for this channel. Okay, visit channel pages. Go. This is a visit of journal pages. This type of journals, okay, go to menu. This lot of things there. Latest issue, all the issues published, articles in press. If any for a special editor, we can substitute special issue also. Special linked data site, RS tools, is all things there. Okay, about means now what is journal, what are the journal, what are the aim and scope, you check. This journal of electronic journal is communicated in the for works, original works, tax, subject, artist work. This is the implementation scope. What are the scope is for the electronic devices, circuits, common system, including but not limited to. But what limited to? This is a papers involved. What are this type of keywords already published in this paper? On system, microwave, optical. So this is most important to check the what are the editorial board. We check all the things there. This is a professor's ceremony for local university. These are areas editors. Okay. This all the biography. If any doubt means you directly go to that view biography each and every editor board. Okay, you collect data mail, then you message how to submit your paper. This is a scope or not. I will submit or not. Okay. You clarify that persons with them. Okay. Editor in India, 14 countries, Italy, Spain, and China. There are most editors in our country. Okay. This is one of the editors. Then what are the call for papers? Already told some of the guest editors introduced the specialist also. So special issue. Why is this article? Hello? No, why is audible?
Yes, sir, you are audible, sir.
Okay. And this is the special issue from a special issue submitted. So you submitted nowadays researchers for PhD special issue most of the not accepted in your university side. So you collect for regular issue submitted by research. This special issue certificate from the international conference industry models and the application design. Okay. So guest editors for the proposal. These are the proposals. Okay, to submit guest issues. What are the data submission also included in the calculations used? We go to all the things in the call for paper. You submit your paper regular issues also. Then next for the abstract index, you check in also. Abstract is the most important. This abstract and index is a good quality in our research, good quality in our journal. So I rejected that. So all the things should be reviewable in within 3 days. Okay. Then review time for the first review time for second 67 days. Then after you submit your research paper for with the help of the reviewer comments. Okay. After you get the acceptance, you got from the 87 days. Okay. Then 7 days to get the acceptance. After the acceptance, you get the publication page proof and also you submit your online. Then your paper is published. So it is an article publication fees also. This is a side factor. This is subject areas. What are the ISN number? All what are the scopes? All the including the citation spot. Okay. Then if submit your article. Okay. If you are not a journal. Okay. Order a journal. Okay. If interested in this type of journal only, you have a subscription. You subscribe for 1 year. Okay, you subscribe now. You data collect. You download data collect from this website also. Okay, some of the papers not you downloaded because some of the rate is fixed there. Okay, so you collect the data for subscription is not for 1 year. You subscription means you collect the subscriber and also the get the payment also from the collect data from. Okay, all the papers are downloaded in this article also. This is subscription mode. Then next one for the you submit your paper. If you submit your paper, mostly then submit your article. Okay, you go there. It is some of the use in the editorialmanager.com. Some of the tail franchise then home website you should create the login. Okay, this is the login. You choose first you create an account. Okay, you create a login account. Okay, for example, you are create login account. I already account login account. So register now. You go the register now. Use your ArchID ID. You register your ArchID ID. Given first name, last name, email address. Then continue. Then you go to next step. We already this done already register. So I go to directly go to from the login. You create that login account means I use from the ArchID ID. It's the best one. Use the ArchID ID. Then sign in Google. If we forgot the RC ID password, or no issue, then you go to sign in with Google. Then you go to the submit new manuscript. Okay. Then you get research article, some of things, sir. This research paper, then submit go to the business. Not able to submit it because there's a lot of stuff going there. 18 minutes so this is the most. Okay. This is the then somebody asking this is best one. First of all, more research work. Asking the answer. Okay, there use that. Okay, then this is the go to research kit, then you go to the architect. This is the most important research. Okay, if each and your publish all the input in there, it is easy to override in the easy one. Okay, you get that. Then you go to architect ID. This is the website. Therefore, the Google sites, the Facebook. I already linked it to the Google site, Facebook, into one of the site. Then this is the Scopus author's ID. Okay. For example, the author's created means you click on author's ID, directly go to author's ID also. So, author is most important to your improve your work and improve your academics work. Also, the citations. Okay. This is Scopus. Okay. This is a Scopus already included in the area Scopus documents also. Therefore, you go to okay. This is the the reverse all the things in the market ID. We solve. You check for the record, my printable record. You go to printable record. My publications, my details, your details, all the link in the easily to get the printer. Okay. This is so easily analyze your research activities and your work and your profile, academic profile is only the RCT research and Google Scholar, then Scopus. It's a mandatory, you bubblers, okay. 5 things is mandatory. So please all of you register that is this type of the work engine notes. Okay. Thank you. If any doubt, please ask me. Then another one for this is most important. Then lost journals also. Springer also, the Springer journal finder. is there, Journal Register, Taylor Francis, Taylor and Francis, Journal Finder, then go to Sage Publications. Go to just your Google research, like a lot of things, then it will be Journal Finder. You go to Springer, A2 journals, you go to search keywords across journals. Okay. You take then journal register in the auto publish order services. Okay. You journal register also. Okay. Then Sage Publications, journal recommender. Okay. IEEE and also C. Okay. Enter keywords. The keywords, for example, Andana. Example, Andana. Okay. On lot of this, I use Andana arrays also. Get recommendations. Then the maximum get list keywords for keywords at least on Andana. Find the journals. Then also the journal register from the abstract. You say you use abstract. You copy and paste abstract from the Sage publications. So not abstract. I will reveal journal science. Okay, so what I will find. The Springer is same thing. The Andana keywords. Okay. The unknown. This is the lot of journals available. What are the inferred factors? You can choose that. Okay, in any zone you submit your research work. This is the journal finder. In Sage publications, text research journals, one of the Andana people already published there. Journal of Distribution Network, Transport and Research Record, Proceedings of International Part C, Part J, Journal of Textile Measurement Under Control, IJDMS. This is the journals already published in Andana papers. Okay. So you find it there. So teleference and same there. IET Journal of Research, Journal of Radio and Audio Media, International Journal of Electronic Letters, Arthur Journal of Electrical and Electronics Engineering, Electromechanics, International of Electronics. This is the journal already published in the field of Andanas also. So this is one of the main portfolio using Andana. This is only in Andana. Jinx of Business Series B. Okay. For Springer link, Springer is the nature. You go to a lot of journals, Springer for IET, that you got journal. Okay, this is the most important. To journal finder also. So this is the most important for the research work. Thank you. If anybody has doubt, please call. Thank you for bits for opportunities given to me. Thank you once again.
Sir, good morning, sir. This is Raju here.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir, for the wonderful session. But the slides were moving very fast. Yeah, and
Yes,
the thing is, I have three questions from my side.
Tell me, sir.
One is just give me the highlight of what must be included in the review of literature, which you started in the beginning.
Okay.
And second one is what are the tools that must be used, and the third one is tools to do the do with the article. Third one is how to learn to use the Mendeley.
Mentally. Yes, sir. Super. Nice.
Yeah, three
Nice.
questions.
First question, you choose for a literacy survey. You first on paper you got it for option and conclusion. You read that you what are the methods, what are on that paper, what are the parameters discussed, what are the problems identified in your paper. You analyze from this. I comparison accuracy for 80%. You discuss it. You got the person for 80% in this research work. You are improved for more than 90%. Okay, what is the, this is a proper statement. Not the simple example I told. Okay, so write that type of write your literature survey for more than 20-25 papers. First one. Tools, lot of tools will manually go to the your keywords and the lot of papers download. You will download lot of papers, then easily. That is the most citation papers choose in your manually also. So it is a good resource only manually. So I my personal reference you go to download manually also. You create a manually account, then create account. We use some pay free. I know free. Okay, you got from the 1 GB, some of the restrictions there. You go to monthly, then download your paper also. More than your paper download, you come some of the amount is you buy your amount, then monthly. Then lot of tools, sir. Nowadays, tools used in quill port. Okay, in quill port, used here words for the copy from the one type of papers. You put in the paraphrase, easily convert in paraphrase. Then grammar, all things used in quill port also. That is not good. You write your own words. Okay, you write your own words. Use something, some vocabulary included. Use something, some of the methods, including your new ideas. Okay, you include your upset also. This is enough. Okay, no need for the paraphrase tools. Okay, then lot of tools for the writing. This diagram tools for only chart tools. You go to chart, you go to pie chart, graph chart. You go to that tool use from the chart. Then block diagram. BC or tools. You go to the blanks or tools. Lot of tools is there. Go to block diagram. Each and every blank for the circles. You go that type of tool used in that. Okay. I send the tools. I mentioned the tools. I send to the pencil bits. Okay, we share the data tools also. There is no issue, sir. So that is how you should use it, sir. Thank you.
So thank you so much. Thank you.
Sir.
Thank you so much.
Hello, participants. Do we have any other questions or shall we wind up?
Once again, thank you, my pencil bits for giving the opportunities. Thank you. This tip is a nice one for a research work. Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah, your session also went very good, sir. Thank you so much for such an informative session. Thank you.
Ma'am, do we get this slides
Yeah, we'll send you, sir.
for all the days?
Yeah. We'll send you in a single mail.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Uh, uh, Sorry to interrupt you, ma'am. Kindly please share all the PPTs of all the days, ma'am. Please.
Sure, ma'am. Sir, can we wind up?
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you all for joining. Thank you so